Hello friends, welcome back to HTML sessions. This is the session 3. Recalling the previous session 2, in previous session 2 we have gone through the tags where we have a title tag where title tag is used to display the name of the title of in Explorer, and the next we have paragraph tag where you can define a paragraph in between these tags. And do you remember the title tag? The title tag is used to display the title. For example, on a browser, the left top corner, the title will be displaying and it will be in head tag, not the body tag. The remaining 4 tags will be in the body tags. This is the paragraph tag, and this is heading tags where we have 6 type of headings where H1, H2, H3, H4, 5 and H6. Then the image tag, and we have use image tag to display the image, the web page. And the other one is anchor tag. As anchor tag we use to link between the pages, connection between the pages. And coming to session 3, before going to session 3 and starting session 3, in these sessions we are going to learn or know about the main elements of HTML. And if you go through Google, search for HTML tags, you have plenty of more options. Here we are not covering all the options, but only few we are covering here, and few and important more parts, and whichever the HTML elements that we use in our daily examples. Considering that my previous experience, I have selected a few attributes or elements and explained to you in these sessions, even in the future sessions. And for details, I request you to visit W3 School website, where you can have a full bunch of HTML tags and full in detail. Okay, let's know about HTML styles and HTML settings. The styles of an HTML element can be done through style attribute. And here is the syntax, whereas the tag name, style, we need to use the word style here, and the property and the value. And let's see this in example. Suppose if you want to set the background of your page, you have written a HTML page and you want to set the page for the entire page, background page and background color for the entire page. Then here is an example where this is a body tag. You already know this, starting and ending. We have body tag, and here we're giving a style is called background color dash color colon border blue. This is an example where we can set the background color, and in detail we see the example after all these slides presentation. And next, this is a simple heading tag, and this is a paragraph tag. And going forward, HTML color, and even we can define HTML color to at h1 and paragraph tag that we have seen before. Like see here we have h1 tag, and set style is called color colon blue. Then this text will be visible in the blue color, and this is the heading. And the next, you can, for a paragraph, you can set a color where color is called red, and this entire text will be visible in the red color. You will see the example after the slides. And next, going forward, and this is a font family. You can define the font name, family name of for the particular text, where a heading or paragraph. This is an example here. Here h1 is called style. Font family is called Vardhana, and this is heading. This is used for, this is then a heading where we have for h1 tag we have applied the font family name. In the same way, we have for paragraph we have applied a font family where style is called font family courier, and this is a font family. This is example where you can define the font family in this format. And going forward, For HTML text size, here we can define the size for the text, where this is it's an example here where style is equal to font size colon 300 percentage, and if you give the percentage 300 percentage, and the with it will increase 300 times to current size. It's like even h1 is a big size, text h1 has a text size is bigger than the normal text, and if you increase 300 times the existing one, it will go much higher. Let's see that example later. And even for paragraph, we can set style is equal to font size, that is 160 percentage, where this is paragraph, and it will display in a bigger in size. Next, whereas HTML text alignment, we can align the text in HTML file, where we are using the same h1 tag, where style is equal to text align center, and this content will be centered. Heading content will be aligned the center of the HTML tag. The same we can align the paragraph, where style is equal to text align colon center, and this content will be aligned in the center. And going forward, we have a few HTML formatting, where like bold, italic, marked, small, deleted, inserted, subscript, and superscript. Whereas bold is the text will be in a bold color, where italic, where it will be size italic font, it will be in italic in the text. In the mark, it will be selected format, will be having yellow selection. Small text, whereas the small text it will be the smaller than the normal size, and when it is deleted, it will be some strike in the text to indicate the deletion. And inserted, you can see the text in the inserted format, and subscript and superscript. This in the subscript is will show you the in the lesser than in the base, where in mathematical formulas we use this subscript and superscripts. The HTML bold element, HTML bold element defines the element defines the bold text. Is an example where you can place the B element from the starting and ending of the tags in the text or in the statement. Next is italic, where you can place, this is an example where text is an italic. If it is, you can place this I element in the starting and ending notes in between the paragraph or word or a statement. Generally, we use this italic for to define. It's like an important note or some kind of thing to define for the user to read the text. Then we have a small, and this small element is used to show the text smaller than the normal actual size, the normal size. Here we are using h2 element tags, and we have here we define the small. This small is the tag, and small is the text here, again ending with a small tag. Next we can mark, and if you want to show highlighted text, then you can use this mark element. Here we have marked element. See if the marked value will be marked here. We see this in example in details after the slides. And we have sub element, whereas in sub element, this is the subscription, where you can see the subscription. If you define that this is a subscription test, this subscription part will be visible like this text which is in the subscription position. And this is a SUP is come back. This is SUB is used for subscription element. Now we don't use entire text, we can use simply SUB subscription, and whereas SUP is superscription, we use SUP, you can use view the text in a superscription format. And finally we come to the comments tag, where this is very important. Comments tag is if you don't want to show any text to the user, just you can comment it off. And this is a format syntax and example. It's like this comment will be can be used for internal note for the developer or the person who develops to write this code, or even to have reminder points in the code. Now let's go back to the HTML. Before that, let's see session 2. Let's recall the session 2. This is the session 2 here. Where this is the heading 1, H1, H2, H2, H3, H6. And this is the paragraph tag, and this is the interlink. And as if now we do not have the image, so the image is not displaying. I think you remember that we show the alternate message. And let's close this, and let's open the session 3. And this is the session 3. Hope you can see the format. I'm increasing the font. Let's consider the background color. Let's come to background color. See, currently I have commented all the things. This is the starting, and this is the ending part of comments. Even here I have commented some code text. Let's see the output of this file. If you see the output of this file, it's simply saying heading, and this is the paragraph. But if you see in the actual code, here they have multiple tags. Here you can see the multiple tags here, 11 elements, where these are not displaying. Actually we have commented this. Now we'll do one good step by step and enable this. Let me remove these comments for the background and place this, remove this, because see currently this is not in a exact position. We need this style should be inside the body tag, so just we'll remove this here and place this in the end. Do you remember the background color is completely white? And let's save this, come back, refresh. The color has been changed. Hope you understood. Simply what we have done in the body tag, you know that the body tag, in body tag we have given the style, background dash color colon and border blue. And one more thing, it's not generally we don't remember all these tags. These are the basic tags, of course you can remember, but sometimes when you don't remember, just go to Google and just type background color of HTML page example. It's an example, of course, and you can get the syntax there available. Let's change this color and see. Well, let's remove the border blue. Let's remove the border blue color and save this. Let's go back and refresh. The color has been changed, and it's not so. It's too blue, so let's change back to border blue. Just click Ctrl Z, look at the previous value and save it. And let's go back and we simply refresh, and you will get the light blue colors background. The next one is okay. These two are headings, H1, H2, and this is a paragraph, and this is the same thing we're seeing here. And next, go to First of all, let's remove these comments and change back to below. And just see how I'm working on this so that it will be very easy for you in future to work on this any HTML projects. Here we have set h1 where color blue is the blue color is the text. This for the paragraph we are using the color is called red. This is a red color and this is the paragraph. And let me save this. So we already saved and go back and refresh this. Now we got to additional text saying blue color and this is a red color. Let me zoom this. Yeah, you can see this. This is a blue color and this is red color. And going back, hope you understood. So here for the back body style, we are using style is equal background color border blue, and for h1 text color we are using color style is equal color blue and color is red. Going forward, let's again change these comments to down and just dragging and dropping here and save this. Here we are getting the font family Vardhana, and again the font family is courier, and this is the same we are using h1 tags and the paragraph tags. I have already saved this. Let's go back and refresh. Yeah, you see here the same h1 tag, the font has been changed compared to the previous h1 fonts, and the paragraph is also been changed. The color has been changed. This is a paragraph. If you compare this to the paragraph, this is a paragraph. The font has been changed here. And let's go back. Let's remember this is the font family. And let's do a small one more additional example. Suppose if you want this font family as well as blue color in with for the same thing, you simply go back where you can copy this, right click, copy in the paste this in the end, blue color, and copy and paste this. See here simply we are using the style, the same style. It is font family Vardhana and semicolon. We are using color blue, which means let's save this, go back and refresh. Yeah, it has been changed. It means for the same style, it's not required to give style. You can use the same style text, and in this you can give font family and the color. And if you want to try the background color, let's try. I never tried this, but still for yours, let's try this and let's apply this. Here I already copied this and remove this border blue because already we have background border blue and you cannot justify the difference. I'll go I remove this border blue and go and save this and refresh this. This is because you already have a border blue color, and the heading color is blue and the background is color blue, so you cannot, the entire thing is blue. Let's change this into white. See, this is the advantage of HTML Node++. You type something and you get the words required. And save this, go back, refresh. Yeah, you have got this. This is a heading and the color has been changed, and even the background of the heading has been changed. It means you can observe this. This heading is occupying the entire row of the page. Next, go forward and let's change the other section. I'm placing back. This is the comment. I'm uncommenting this and font size. This could be very interesting. Here we have style, font size 300% and font size 160% for paragraph and 300% for H1 tag. I have already saved this. Let's go back and refresh this. Oh, the size has been increased. And let's increase to a few more so that you can understand. I'm increasing to 500% and saving this just to make see this here. Just I'm going to refresh and see this is the heading and the size has been increased to 400%. Then based on your requirement you can change the font size. And okay, let's come to the another element, that is alignment element. And the best practice I suggest you is whenever do some small change, major changes, you just save it so that you do not lose the data. And here is an example for text align center. And for the same H1 tag we use style text align is called center, and this is the content, and paragraph style is and text align is the center, and this is the paragraph. Okay, let me close this, save this and go back and refresh. See, the text has been aligned center. If you see the other text, it was all are in the left side, and now this is in the center. You can change back to right also. And if you just save this, go back and refresh, see the content has moved to center. In general, heading should be in center, and paragraph should be aligned left. This should be in general. We should use this. So just we saved it and go back and refresh. Now again the heading has come to center and the paragraph has moved left. And there is one more thing, it is a bold. Let's remove the comments and save it. This text is bold. Okay, this is the bold text element where we use to define the bold text. And let's go back and refresh. In the bottom we got one more text. This is the bold text. Hope you understood this. Is a simple bold text. And one more thing, that is the italic. Next one, where this is italic text, I'm just enable this is I starting and I ending. Let's save this and go back and refresh. See, this is the italic tag. And if you see the main difference till now, these H1 paragraphs are coming in new lines, because we already seen here this H1 and paragraph are occupying the entire row, but the bold and italic, they're coming side by side because they're not occupying the entire row. For that, if you want to see this bold and italic in a new row, just you need to apply a break. One break indicates one row. Just save this, go back and refresh this. Now the bolds are two different lines. The many breaks you have, line break, the many spaces, the many rows empty to display. Hope you understood. And the next we have small here. We have small text. Here in H2 tag, we use small element in the middle of the text to make the text smaller than the current. We have saved this. Let's go back and refresh. Okay, this content is small. I think we didn't see any major difference. Let's go back and remove these head tags. Sorry, H2 tags. Let's remove this and save this. Refresh. See, this is to compare the text. Okay, let's make a new line. Save this. And go and refresh. See, if you observe, here we have small text. Small text font size is different than others. Definitely there is a small difference. I think you can understand this, you can see this. And going forward, let's see the next element. We have marked element, and we have marked text in the same H2. We used marked element to one of the text, small word in text. Well, let's save this and go back, refresh. See, you get the marked is yellow marked. Generally, when you search previously, if you are using Google, you have type any text, then it was displayed in the yellow marked text. I think currently they're showing in bold, but previously it was marked as yellow. Coming next to superscription, where generally we use this for any mathematical description. This is in paragraph. This is we have a text. This is subscripted text. For subscripted, we have used sub. So this should be in defined format. Let's go back and just refresh this. In the bank, if you see this, in the row, the text has been moved slightly downwards, so saying that they're subscripted. The same way we have, okay, now the comments have been ended. Now let's remove these comments and save this. The last but one is, this is superscripted text. In the paragraph we use sup. We have saved this and come back and refresh. We have the text in the superscripted format. And the final part is, this is a comment. We already know about the comment part, already seeing them many times. We already have done the example regarding the comments, and hope you understood this today's session. In today's session we have gone through body, background, colors, and the headings. In the previous sessions you have seen in this, and styles, blue color, how to set the colors, and font, family font, will give the name, and even we can give the background color white, the same. The font size also can be included here, even the alignment also included here. Then you have seen the bold text, italic, small, mark, subscription, and superscription. And one more suggestion for you. This is the HTML session doesn't cover all the tags of in HTML. You can go to w3school.com, where you can find even more examples there. You can learn more. And here in this session, we are only learning about the important tags and how to use in future usage. Hope you understood the sessions, and remember to subscribe this channel. and we'll have session 4 and more important elements in the coming sessions, and they definitely will be helping you for HTML small projects, HTML projects. And thank you for watching, and see you soon. Thank you.